Hey there, let's integrate SendGrid with WooCommerce to manage your transactional emails effectively. Start by installing the SendGrid plugin, and we're going to use this WP Mail SMTP plugin. So go ahead and install it, and then activate it, and then you can head over to your WP Mail SMTP settings. Configure your from email and from name, and choose SendGrid as your mailer. And go ahead and input your SendGrid API key. And if you do not have a key, you can go to your SendGrid account, click on Settings, click on API key, and go ahead and create your API key. All right, and then copy that API key, the SendGrid API key here that you just generated, and then configure your sending domain and save your settings, and that's it. Don't forget to enable event tracking in SendGrid to monitor email performance like opens, clicks, and bounces. So test integration by sending a test email from WooCommerce to make sure everything is set up correctly. All right, you've integrated SendGrid with WooCommerce. Subscribe for more useful guides and check out SendGrid with the free trial link in the description.